Hello students, good morning to all. I hope all of you are well and good and fit and fine in your home. Okay, so let's start today's class. Today we are going to study about estimation and that using of brackets and Roman numerals. So this is the thing, these are the things we are going to study about. तो आज आमे कौन कहा विषय पढ़िबा? Estimation using about bracket केमिति यूज हबो, then that Roman numerals. So let's start. So first I will want to ask some question like in a marriage function how many people came to your home? Okay, usually how many people came to your home in marriage function? So marriage function केते लोग आसन तम घर को? So what you will say? You can say the exact number. So let in a marriage function how many people have come? We have come around 541. So you cannot say always the exact number. So we can exact number कहि परिबो. It is not always possible. So what we used to say? We used to say a round of figure or an approximate value. Means सतर कौन करछो तमे ओटे approximate value कहउछो. Like तमे किछि अनुमान करी कहउछो. Exact value न कहि कि तमे रियल वैल्यू न कहि कि तमे कोन कहउछो अनुमान करिकि दैट अनुमान करिया जोटा कहउछो दैट इज व्हाट अप्रोक्सीमेट वैल्यू. आई कैन से अराउंड 500 people have come in the marriage function. तो कम कोन अराउंड 500 people आसीथिले मैरिज फंक्शन ने एमिति कहि परिबो. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ इंडिया? पॉपुलेशन ऑफ इंडिया. सो दिस इज द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ इंडिया that is written in exact value. That is what? 1,382,196,924. Or you can say in Indian number system 138,21,96,924. So these are the exact value. So you cannot use these exact value एव्री टाइम. सब बेले ए एक्जाक्ट वैल्यू को सब बेले समस्त सामने तुम कहि परिबन. जेतेले हठात किना तुमको के पचार देला पॉपुलेशन ऑफ इंडिया, यू विल रिमेंबर ऑल दिस थिंग्स? नो. सो व्हाट यू विल डू? यू कैन गिव ए राउंड ऑफ फिगर. ओके, तुम एक्जाक्ट न कहि कि गोटे राउंड ऑफ फिगर कहि परिबो. लाइक यू कैन से दैट 1.3 billion. Okay, or around 1.3 billion. Okay, so you are telling means instead of saying these numbers you are representing 1.3 billion or you can say 1 billion. So what is the population of India? Around 1.3 billion. So this is an approximate value. Or you can say this 138 crore. Instead of saying 138 crore 21,96,924. This one you cannot always remember. एटा सबले मन रखि परिबो कि? No. So which you can easily remember? This one 1.3 billion or 138 crore. This is easy to remember and this one is also presenting the population of India. तमे easily याको remember करि परिबो. Then you can easily present. तुम presentation भी करि परियो कहि परियो. So this is also the right thing. Okay, तुम जेतल about कि around कि round of figure रे जेतल कहजो सेटा भी सब बेले सेटा भी प्राय ठीक थाए. प्राय ठीक थाए. पूरा exact ठीक न थाए but प्राय ठीक थाए. That's why we use this approximate, round off or around value. Okay, so this is known as estimation. याको आमे कोन कहिबा? Estimation. ओके, आमे किछि गणना करूचे तो आमे कोन माने आकलन जोटा तमे कहउछो कि माने राउंड ऑफ अराउंड फिगर जोटा कहउचे अप्रोक्सीमेट वैल्यू जोठी करूचे अनुमान करिकि दैट इज नोन एज एस्टिमेशन. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज एस्टिमेशन. सो हियर इट इज गिवन when there is a very large figure we approximate that number to the nearest plausible value. So nearest value, that which nearest value is there, we have for large figure we will take that nearest plausible value. Like here I have taken what I have taken for 541. My nearest value is what? Nearest plausible value is 500. For 1,382,000,000 196,924. For this value, I have taken nearest plausible value 1.3 billion. And for this, I have taken 138 crore. So here I have taken estimation as nearest plausible value. So that's why this is known as estimation. So the word approximately, this one, approximately itself shows that the number of people were near about these numbers. So near about these numbers means 541 is also 500, means near to 500. Okay. So whatever we have told about 500, it is near to 541. 500, 541 are near achi. 1.3 billion is near to this value. Okay. And 138 crore is also near to this value. So we'll always take approximate value in estimation. Okay. That is nearest plausible value. So estimating depends on the degree of accuracy required and how quickly the estimate is needed. So how much you are wanting. Okay. So how quickly means how quickly you are wanting. केते शीघ्र तमे ताको चाहूचो estimation को. तो सही हिसाब रे तमे estimation करियो. And degree of accuracy. Accuracy means the correctness. How much correct value you are wanting. केते correct हेबा दरकार and केते शीघ्र तमे पाइबो चाहूचो. केते quickly. So that in these two factor estimating depends. Okay. Let's find out with another some examples. Okay. Estimating to nearest tens by rounding off. Rounding off करछो. जेतेले तमे देखो दुकान को जाई थाओ तमे बहुत सारा जिंस किनलो. जिंस किन सारा पर कोन तमरो टोटल हैला तमे परिबा मार्केट को जाईछो परिबा किनिछो. तो तमको टोटल हैला केते 501 टंका. तो तमे कोन कहउछो. तमे दुकान वाला कहउछो भाई ना 500 टंका नै जाओ. एमती कहउछो कि नै. तमे टंकाटे दउछो कि एमे टंकाटे देबाकू चाहनो. तो सेतेले कोन कहइबो काई 501 टंका से दुकानी वाला भी 500 रखी दिए. तमे जदी 500 टंका दो दैट इज सेतेले कोन करछो. तमे राउंड फिगर 501 को तमे 500 कर दउछो. दैट इज द राउंड फिगर. ओके. राउंडिंग ऑफ. लाइक दैट we'll see how we'll round off by tens. Okay, tens रे केमिति राउंड करिवो. So here we have given 260, 262, 265, 34, 38. You see, first I'll show the one thing. Look at here. Here I have given number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, look at here that 5 is in the middle of 0 and 10. 5 तमरो middle अछि. कहा कहा middle रे 0 and 10. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4. It is nearer to 0 than 10. एटा कहा पाखरे अछि. 1, 2, 3, 4 0 पाखरे अछि. But it is further than 10. काहाटार फर्दर अछि काहाटु दूर अछि 10. So we round off them as 0. जेतेले 1, 2, 3, 4 आसी ताको हमें कोन राउंड ऑफ कर दोछु फिगर कर दोछु 0. But number 6, 7, 8, 9 those are nearer to 10. Look 6, 7, 8, 9 those are near to 10. So we round off as a 10. And number 5 which is equidistance from both 0 and 10. Number 5 equidistance means equal distance rachi. Okay, equal distance from 0 and equal distance from 10. So this is a common practice to round it off 10. जेतेले middle value आसे सेतेले आमे ताको कोन करबा highest value को round off करिया. Means we can never take 5 as 0. We always take the middle value 5 as 10. So let's see. We have taken some examples. Okay, we'll find out the estimating nearest value of tens. So here it is given 262. Here you see 2. Okay, so 2 is nearer to what? 0. So what we'll do? We cannot make this one. We'll turn it into 0. So estimate value of 262 is, here we'll put 260. Okay, let's see 265. So here 5 is there. So 5 is the middle. 5 is between middle number between 0 and 10. 5 कौन अछि 0 and 10 रो middle रो अछि. Okay, so much रो अछि. So what will do? It will take as rounded off as 10. So 265 achi. So 265, if we'll take here 10, then what we'll get? 270. Okay, so this one is 265. The round figure of 265 is what? 270. Next you see 34. So what is there? 4. So 4 will take, 4 is near to 0. So that's why that round figure is what? 30. Okay, next you see 38. So 8 is near to 10. So the round figure is what? 8 means 40. Okay, so this is about estimating to the nearest tens by rounding off. Next we will see estimating to the nearest hundreds by rounding off. Okay, so now we'll see about rounding up. So here I have done one number line 0 to 100. So first we'll see how we'll round off the hundreds, nearest hundred. So number 1 from 0 means 0, after 0 1 is coming. So from number 1 to number 49 it is, so 1 to 49. So it is coming under closer to 0 than 100. It is closer to 0. 0 pakhare achi, 0 to closer. Then but it is for, so that's why we round out off as 0. So 0 to 49 भितरे जहाँ भी, sorry 1 to 49 भितरे जहाँ भी नंबर आसीबो ताको हमें कोउथरे हमें राउंड करिबा, that is 0. But the numbers from 51, here from 51 to 99, the 51 to 99 numbers 51 to 99 are closer to 100 than 0. That's why those are rounded off as 100. Next, number 50 is equidistance from 100 and 0. Number 50 ta equal distance is called equidistance 0 and 100. So it is in middle. Okay, that's why from 100 it is equal distance, from 0 it is equal distance. That's why it is a common practice it to round it off as 100. So 50 jodi thio taku ame kothre round figure kariba 100. So let's see some example. Here 841 is given. So look, 41. So 41 is coming, it is near to 0. So 41 we have taken. That's why we'll take as 800. Okay, next this 41. Next 2546. Look at here 46. Okay, so here 46 is here. So what we'll do? We'll convert this 46. This 46 is lesser than 50. It is near to 0. So it is coming in under 1 to 49. So 2500 will represent this 46 as 0. Estimate value is what? Estimate value of 2546 is 2500. Next look at our 168. So look at here 68. Okay, so for nearest hundreds rounding up 68, it is what? It is near to 100. That's why it will convert, what will take as 100. So this is 168, will take 100 plus 100. How much? 200. Okay, so 168 को 168 रो estimate value कौन? 200. Next see 286. So here look what is given, 86. 86 is near 200. That's why we can write it as 300. The estimate value of 286 is 300. Like that another example here 5750. So look at this last two number, what it is written? 50. So 50 रे हमें कौन करिया? So 50 is middle value and that is equidistance from 0 and 100. So it is common practice to round it off as 100. या 50 को कौन round off figure करा जे? 100 रे. So 50 पाई हमें कौन इठी यूज करबा? Round off figure 100. So 5700 is become 5800. Okay, like that you can do other numbers. Next we will move to estimating to the nearest thousands by rounding off. Now we'll estimate the nearest thousand. So nearest thousand पे हमें कौन देखिबा? We have written the number line from 0 to 1000. 0 to 1000 number line है जी. So in middle it is 500. 500 means for 500 what will take? 500 पे कौन नेबा? It is equidistance from 1000 and 0. That's why it is its round figure is सब 500 रो round figure कौन? 1000. Okay. So another thing 1 to 499. So 1 to 499. Those numbers are nearer to 0. That's why we rounded off as 0. Okay. Means 0 will take it as 0. And for 501 to 999. 501 to 999. What will take? These numbers are near to 1000. That's why we rounded off as them as 1000. ताको हमें कोथ राउंड फिगर कर देबा thousands. So let's see 2573. So here 1000 numbers are there. 573. So this is what? 573 is near to 1000. That's why what we have written? We'll write it as 3000. Round figure of 2573 is 3000. So we have added 1000. Look at it. 6404. Okay. So here what is there? 404. So we'll make it round figure. Round figure पे हमें कौन add करूँ? We'll do. It is near to 0. That's why we put it as 0. 0 means that ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଥା କହେ ଭୁଲ ଯାଇଛି ତମର 0 means ନୁହେଁ ଯେ ତମେ ଲେଖିବ କି 60. Okay. So how many digits are there? You will put that much 0. ଯେତେଟା digit ଥିବ ସେତେଟା 0 put କରିବ. ये ନୁହେଁ କି that is near to 0 means we will round off as 0. Round off 0 means we will put that same number of digits. ଯେତେଟା number ଥିବ ଯେତେଟା digit ଥିବ ସେତେଟା 0 put କରିବ. Okay. So we cannot write as 60. We will write as 6000. So here 3 digits are there. We'll put 30. So let's see. Here it is written 65,437. So look at here 65,437. So look at here 437. So 437 is nearest to 0. That's why near to 0. That's why we'll put how much? 65,000. We'll put 30. So like this you can do other thing. Next see, this is about estimating the nearest tens, nearest hundreds, nearest thousands by rounding off. So एटा तमे जान लो केमिति rounding off figure करिवा. Okay. So let's see estimating outcomes of number situation. So here we have some example estimating outcomes of number situations. So let's see. You have rupees 575 in your purse and your friend have rupees 338. So you both want to purchase a gift for another friend. तो तुम पाखरे केते अछि 575 rupees अछि तुम friend पाखरे 338 rupees अछि. तमे निजे friend पे गोटे गिफ्ट परचेज करिया चाहू. परचेज मींस किनिया को चाहू छ. The gift cost rupees 810. So how much the cost of gift? Gift cost kete 810. So can you estimate the total money of you and your friend to find out whether you have enough money to purchase that gift? So तमे estimate करि परिबो कि तम पाखरे केते total money अछि जोथरे कि तम friend पाई gift किनी परिबो. Okay, तम पाखरे enough money अछि कि नै देखिया पई. So what you will do? You will add RS 575 and 338. But you need to you want what you want? You want to estimate. You want that quickly that you have enough money or not. तमे शीघ्र जानिया को चाहू कि तुम पाखरे राइट मनी अछि कि नै. तो तमे कोन कर दो? You can take the round of figure. 575 means how much you want to know quickly. तमे शीघ्र जानिबु चाहछो ताले कोन करिवो, you will take the estimate. So you take the estimate round figure of 575. Round figure of 575 is how much? It is 600. Okay. Then 338. Round figure of 338 is how much? 38 means 300. So you can add 600 plus 300. So what is that? 900. So this round figure can help you to find out you have enough money or not. So it is 810. So you have enough money. So let's add in proper way. Add kar do exact money. 8 5 13 1 7 3 10 11 1 then 5 3 8 plus 1 9. So look, when we add, find out the exact value, what we found 913. तो तुम पाखरे एक्जाक्ट केते अछि 913. But when we have estimated, आमे शीघ्र जानिया को चाहूचे, so we have done the round figure and estimated what we got 900. It is enough money to purchase that gift. So you and your friend can purchase that gift easily. Okay, so like this you have done round off, or you will do round off and estimate in your day-to-day life. Okay, to in different situation में तमे कोन करि परिबो, राउंड ऑफ फिगर बाहर करिकी एस्टिमेट करि परिबो, and after estimating you can find out the solution for your situation. Okay, let's see. Next is what? There are no rigid rules when you want to estimate the outcomes of numbers. कच्ची rigid rules नहीं. Okay, rigid means what? Fixed. Okay, so this is what? Fixed, that cannot be changed. एमिति किछि rigid rule नहीं. Okay, the procedure depends on degree of accuracy. केते accuracy अछि means केते ठीक अछि required, and how quickly the estimate is needed. आमे केते quickly estimate जानियो को चाहू छ. Okay, the most important thing is how sensible the guessed answer would be. केते sensible means केते ठीक होउछि तमे जो guess करूछ. Okay, जोटा अनुमान करूछ. Okay, so let's see. Estimating sum or difference. Sum or difference को भी तमे estimate कर पारो. Sum means addition. Okay, difference means the product getting after subtraction. So subtraction पर जो result पाउचो, that is difference. Addition पर जो result पाउचो, the result of addition is sum. So let's see. Estimation are used in adding and subtracting numbers. So let's see. Here addition is given of what? 5,290 plus 17,986. So let's see. We'll write the round of figure. First we'll write the number. The number is what? 5,290 plus 17,986. So we'll write 17,986. So first we'll find out the estimate value or round off figure. So we can round off to what? 1000. Those are in thousands value. So 5,000, 17,000. So we can estimate it as round off figure as 1000. So here we look 290. So for 290 is near to 0. So we can write it as 5,000. Okay, round off figure of 5,290 is 5,000. Like that 17,986. 986 is near to 1000. So round off figure is 18,000. So let's add what we are getting. 5,000 plus 18,000. How much that is? 23,000. So this is what? Estimated sum. This is not the exact sum. Okay, if we are adding it properly, so what we will get? Without estimation. Without estimation हमें पहले कितने पाएगा? 6, 9, 8, 17, 1, 9, 2, 11 plus 1, 12, 1, 7, 5, 12 plus 1, 13, then 1 plus 1, 2. So 23,276 is the exact sum. Okay, this is the exact sum, but 23,000 is the estimated sum. So no need to find out this when they are telling about find out estimate. जेतले estimate बाहर करे कोहा हो सेतले exact sum बाहर करे दरकार नहीं. Only you will find out the nearby round off. 5,000 means 1,000 round off करिवो. 17,000 means 1,000 round off. Then you add that round off. A round off को ही add कर दो. Okay. Next, look out. Second example. Estimate 5,673 minus 436. So write down 5,673. Next is what? Minus 436. So look at here. Here we can do the round off. Here 5,673 rounds off to, here it is in 1,000, so it will round off to 1,000. याको हमें 1,000 round off करिए. So 673 means it is near to 1,000, so it will become 6,000. Next 436. 436 is in 100. ये कौथरे अछि 100 रे अछि. That's why it rounds off to 36. 436. Look at here 36. So 36 is near to 0. That's why it is less than 50. So we can write it as 400. So 5,673 rounds off to 6,000. 436 rounds off to 400. ये 1,000 रे अछि बोले 1,000 रे हैला. ये 100 रे अछि means 100 रे round off. Now we'll subtract the estimated round off value. So what will get? 6,000 minus 400, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 4, 6, 10 and 6, 5. Okay, so can we do like this? Can this is right? Okay. No, this is not right. This is wrong. Why this is wrong? Because here I have round off in 1,000. This round off in 1,000 and here this is round off in 100. We cannot round off when we are adding or subtracting. We'll round off in equal figure. आमे सब बड़े equal figure रे round off करिवा. गोटे को 1,000 गोटे को 100 रे round off करें. So you will see which you can. This 436 cannot be rounded off in 1,000. एथे तो 1,000 नहीं 1,000 रे round off है ही परिबनी. But 5,673 can be round off in 100. याको हमें 100 रे round off करि परिबा. So both 5,673 and 436 can be rounded off in 100. Okay. So let's see again. आउथर देखिए 5,673 minus 436. Now we'll see rounds off to. So we'll do in 100 round off. So 100, look how much it is. 70. What it is written? 73. So 73 is what? It is near to. So how much it is? It is near to 100. So we can write it as 5,700. Okay. Next you see 436. So 36 is near to 0. So 436 is rounded off to 400. Now we got the exact round off in equal. In this one is in also 100 round off and this is also in 100 round off. So you remember always round off both to the same value. Same value रे याकु जदि 10 round off करबो याकु भी 10 round off. याकु 100 कले याकु 100 round off. याकु 1,000 round off कले याकु 1,000 round off करबो. Okay. So let's see what it is written. So now we'll subtract 0, 0, 7 minus 4, 3, 5. Okay. So answer is what? 5,300. So estimate of 5673 minus 436 is 5300. So this is the estimated means this is the estimated value. Okay, and this is the process of estimating sum or difference. So like this we can find out the estimated sum or difference. Always you remember you have to round off the figure in equal amount. Okay, here also look 5000, 18,000 you have rounded off in thousand. Here also you have rounded off in thousand. Okay, next we will go about to estimate products. Okay, how will estimate products? Products means when you are products where you will got when you will do multiplication. Okay, in multiplication the result is what? Product. So here what is the rules? Round off each factor to its greatest place, then multiply the rounded off factors. What you will do? You will round off each factor, whatever factor is given. So what are factors? Factors कौन? 7 into 5 equal to 35. 35 is the product. 35 तमरो एठी कौन? Product. The result of multiplication. Those numbers which are multiplicated, those are known as factors. जो number को तमे multiplication करूचो ताकू तमे कौन कहबो? Factors. So here 7 and 5 are factors and 35 is product. So this is the terms we are using in multiplication. Multiplication a term use करा जाए. Result को कौन कहा जाए? Product. And the numbers which are multiplicated, जो number को तमे multiplication करियो, those are known as factors. So round off each factor को तमे कौन करिवो? Round off figure बाहर करिवो to its greatest place, then multiply the rounded off factors. तापर से rounded off factors को multiply करियो. Example देखिया, estimate 81 into 479. So we'll estimate into 81 into 479. So for 81 is rounded off to 81. So what we'll do? 81 is rounded off to 80. Okay, so 81 we can round it off to 80. Then the highest means it is saying to the greatest place. Okay, so greatest place is what? Tens place. Next you see 479. Here what will do? In addition and subtraction what you have done? Rounded off to equal figure. Means जदि एरिया को हमें 10th place जाए 10 round off करचु याकु भी 10 round off करिवा. कोउथरे तमरो addition and subtraction. But here in multiplication what you have to do? Round off to greatest place. Greatest place पर्यंत round off करियर अछि. So here greatest place is what? Ones, tens, 100. Here greatest place is 100. So 479 is rounded off to 500 because 79 is near to 100. So 479 is rounded off to how much? 500. Now we can multiply. You can now multiply 80 into 500 equal to 40,000. So this is what? Estimated product. So estimating products is different from estimating sum or difference. So estimating products रे आमे कौन करिवा? Here we are what we are doing? We are finding out rounding off to the greatest place. एठी आमे greatest place जेतिकी great place रे थिबो सेही place रे highest place रे आमे कौन करे? Round off करूचु. But in sum and difference we have to round off to equal place. Okay. आमे sum and difference रे कौन करचु? यदि 8 और 10 100 रे करचु, this one is also 100, this one is 10, this one is also 10. But here what we'll do? We'll do the nearest what? Greatest place. Okay, so here we have taken 80 and here we have taken 500 instead of taking 480. 480 नेबा जगह हमें कौन कलु एठी हमें कौन नहीं छु we have taken what 500. Okay, so this is the greatest place round of figure of in greatest place and this is also round of figure of in greatest place. So here we have taken 10, here we have taken 100. Okay, so this is about to estimate product. So this is the ending of estimation. So here we have done estimation of how to find the estimate numbers, how to find out the estimate products, how to find out estimate sum and difference. Okay.